Aloha everyone, this is Chris Machold with Keller Williams Realty Maui Big Island Division in the Hawaii team. We sell luxury real estate along the Kona coast, and today I'm going to do a short walking tour of Kailua-Kona town. People buy luxury real estate here because of the beautiful homes, of course, but also because of the lifestyle and the things that there are to do and to see. And today I want to just give you a feel for this amazing little town that we call Kailua-Kona. So let me turn you around and we'll take a look. Okay folks, we are on Hulihe Drive. This is where the majority of the restaurants and bars, and we're right on the ocean front here. Beautiful view. This is called Coconut Grove Marketplace, right across the street. Let's walk along and take a look. A lot of open air restaurants, places for folks to gather. This is the sand volleyball pit right in the middle of everything. Usually folks playing usually in the evening time, but gets a lot of use. As you can see, a lot of great restaurants and fun places to hang out with your family and friends. And all right across from this beautiful view. See a submarine out there, some sailboats, get the parasail. So I mentioned Hugo's on the Rocks earlier, which is one of my favorite places to go with my wife to hang out and watch the sunset. The restaurant you see straight ahead is called Kona. Also a great place for lunch and dinner and to watch the sunset. There's live entertainment on a regular basis there as well. Thai restaurant right across the street. We recently got a new restaurant called Oneo Bay that just opened up. They also have an outlet in the Waikoloa Beach Resort that's very popular. And I have eaten here a few times and really enjoyed it. So I recommend this one as well. Okay, we're a little further down the street now at the Waterfront Row Restaurants and Shops. This is a restaurant that just opened called Kai Eats and Drinks. This is our former Bubba Gump's restaurant, but now called Kai. Just opened. Have not eaten there yet, but looking forward to it. Art galleries, restaurants, shops. A lot of fun things to do here in Kona town. Across the street there you can see the farmers market. It's always packed. This is the building that Kona is in, the restaurant I showed you earlier. It's a little public park facility here. Okay, we're a little further down the street now and we're getting to the Kona Inn shopping village. A lot of shops and art galleries here. Historic hotel across the street. A lot of places to sign up for activities. Oceanfront restaurant right inside here called the Kona Inn. Very popular. Been here for many years. Kona Inn restaurant right there. Okay, as we start to get past the Kona Inn, getting a little closer to Mokuaikawa Church, which you can see the steeple right up ahead there. Really in the thick of it right now. Very relaxed, very casual outlets all along the street. This is Hulihe Drive. Right, Kona Marketplace, more of the same. Convenience stores all around, of course. Everything you need if you're here on vacation. Very historic site right ahead here. Hulihe Palace. Past this massive banyan tree. Free tours, Hulihe Palace. Oh, of course, we have to mention Scandinavian shave ice right up here on the right. You saw the shave ice those folks had that just walked by. Best shave ice place in town, as far as I've heard. Kids love that place. And we're starting to get to the end, or I guess the beginning of Hulihe Drive, where the pier is. This is where they finish the Ironman World Triathlon. Folks down there on segways doing a segway tour. Body Glove boat takes off from here for snorkeling trips. Sand Beach. It's an amazing place. There's the King Kamehameha Hotel at the end. Hey folks, I hope this little video and walking tour helped you to get a feel for what Kailua-Kona is all about. Of course, we specialize in real estate along the Kona coast in the 6 major beach resorts. So feel free to reach out to us and learn more at any time at thehawaiiteam.com. Thanks for your time. Bye now.